How to install Microsoft Teams app on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. And now, open App Store on your device. Tap on the search bar there and search for Microsoft Teams and then tap on the Microsoft Teams option. Now, if you have previously downloaded the application, you will see the download button with little cloud-like icon. So, tap on that for the download to begin, and if you have not downloaded the application previously, you will see the Get button. So go ahead and tap on the Get button and enter your Face ID or Apple ID password for the download to begin. Wait for the download to complete, and once downloaded, launch the application by simply tapping on the Open option you see there. And this is how you can download Microsoft Teams app on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.